Hello, friends. Are you ready for a story that will make you laugh and feel inspired at the same time? Well, let me tell you about a boy named Jack and his stepmother, Sarah. Now, Jack loved his stepmom very much, but sometimes he felt like she didn't understand him. He would get upset and run to his room, slamming the door behind him. But Sarah never gave up on him. She always found a way to make him laugh and feel loved. One day, Jack decided to surprise Sarah with breakfast in bed. He woke up early and made her pancakes, bacon, and eggs. When he brought the tray to her room, Sarah was so happy that she hugged him tightly and said, "Thank you, son. I can't wait for more ways to spoil my beloved son." Jack was surprised by her words. He thought to himself, "Wait a minute, did she just call me her son?" He felt a warm feeling in his heart and hugged her back even tighter. From that day on, Jack realized that Sarah wasn't just his stepmom. She was his mum too. They started doing things together like going to the park, playing board games, and even baking cookies. One day they decided to make a cake for Jack's dad's birthday. They followed the recipe carefully and decorated the cake with colorful frosting and sprinkles. When Jack's dad saw the cake, he was so impressed that he said, "Wow, this is the best cake I've ever had. You two make a great team." Jack and Sarah high-fived each other and laughed. They felt proud of themselves for working together and making something delicious. So viewers, the moral of the story is that family isn't just about blood. It's about love, respect, and teamwork. Sometimes it takes a little effort to see things from a different perspective, but it's worth it in the end. Thanks for listening to my story. I hope it made you smile and feel inspired to appreciate your loved ones even more. See you next time.